Hey, I'm back with my vlog, I guess you could call this. This one is called The Glue, and it's wrapped with cherry blunt wrap with a raw filter tip. Pretty good. You just put it right at the tip. Right, put it right there and you just roll it. Might put all your bud in there first. And you just roll it like a regular blunt. But it's cool because you get to have this little thing you can smoke it. Okay. Now this one has a good taste. Kinda tangy almost. A little bit of tang with, I'm not sure. Hold on. It might just be the cherry. No, it's the butt. Pretty good. But that's my little vlog for today. I'm gonna, whenever I get a new one, I'll record it again and let you know what the flavor and what it is, and tell you how I feel about it or how I like it. Okay, this one, the highness, kind of a mellow high, yeah. Same mellow, pretty mellow, but you still kind of feel like you're awake. It's like a 50-50. The glue. Oh, by the way, nobody's paying me for this, and I hope nobody tries to go after me for this, because I'm just giving my opinion, that's all, letting people know. What tastes is okay from the person's perspective that's doing it. I'm not trying to do this to get any publicity. I'm just, that's it. Alright, later, y'all.